Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my famous slick back bun tutorial. My secret to the perfect long-lasting slick back bun is starting on wet hair. Next, I'm going to make sure my hair is fully detangled and get a rat tail comb to begin my part. After my hair is parted, I'm going to use the Aussie Instant Freeze Hairspray. I love this hairspray because it doesn't flake, it lasts all day, and it has a great hold. Another thing I love to use is gel in combination with hairspray. I'm using the Instant Freeze gel from Aussie because it works so good with the hairspray and it keeps all of my flyaways down all day. After my ponytail's done, I'm going to twist my hair and use another scrunchie to create a bun. I'm obsessed with this style because it's super quick, super easy. You can do it on clean hair or dirty hair. Guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.